because then I fall off. That's how I wear my seatbelt. Because with the seatbelt.
Why do you need to wear your seatbelt?
Because we fall down.
Oh, if you're not wearing it?
Yeah. See what happens if you don't wear your seatbelt. Even though if it's a short journey, you should still wear your seatbelt. I tell them, but they don't listen to me. I love my two girls, but they don't sit still. You have to wear your seatbelts all the time if you're in a car, or you will bump your face and die. Because we'll get in trouble of the police. Because you're in trouble on the bus.
You'll be in trouble?
Mm-hmm.
What will you be in trouble for?
You have to wear your seatbelt. You didn't wear your seatbelt.
Oh, I see.
Make noise. Stop, you didn't wear your seatbelt on. Now you can go. Now you can go. You're gonna do an accident. Because we have to my Bob was sick.
Oh.